tanong dito, mas grabe ba ang mga sexy star ngayon compared sa generation niyo?
Sexy
Mas
star ngayon?
mas grabe like in terms
That's,
of showing
yeah.
everything and anything.
Kasi, because ng streaming, walang MTRCB. Dati
Mm.
may ano pa eh, may, yung katulad nga ng sabi ko, parang may
With
mystery pa kahit papaano kasi kailangan panoorin sa movie, paano ba mapapirate to, di ba yung ganun. Ito kasi
mm.
parang it's all out. It's like, I'll use your line, I guess, like going to the dentist, you know?
Yeah. Oo, kasi you can
Even,
just, 'di ba? You can just go to their page, you just go to their IG, ayun
yeah,
na, kita mo na.
yeah, everybody. And then you have to keep on showing more and more and more to just to get likes and just to get followers. And yeah, that's what we're dealing with right now. And yeah, it's pretty sad because parang you don't know kung hanggang saan, kung saan, kung meron siyang anong tawag doon, breaks. Ah, wala nang breaks.